Hello everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce you how to use the launch of RTSS 2020. So first of all, when you go to the launch on the platform, you are able to find this link. Just click join over here. When you click join, this launch is actually outsourced to a tool called GatorTown. So you first have to allow your browser to use your microphone and camera, and please allow them. I've been told that the GatorTown is more suitable with Chrome and Firefox, and it's not very compatible with Safari. So please use those browsers that are more suitable for this activity. So you first have to choose your name. I would first recommend that you choose a name that most people in this community can know you. If you are the first timer, please also choose a name that we can remember your name as well. So you have the possibility to choose your name and then choose your camera. Over here, I would use the default camera. And after that, you can join the GatorTown. When you join the GatorTown, you have the possibility to go through the tutorial. And what I'm going to do here is to give you a tutorial. So I'm going to skip this part. So when you enter GatorTown at the beginning, you will be most likely landed to this cockpit. So the first thing you need to do is to learn how to move. So how do you move? It's a game that doesn't allow you to use mouse to move. So please use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move around the room. So if you want to move to the left, please press your keyboard towards left. If you want to move your character to the south, please move that downwards, and so on and so forth. You can also change your character, your avatar over here. So you can select the character that you like to use and also decorate with different styles if you want. So what you see here is that in this launch, we have multiple sub-areas. If you want to attend the poster session and the icebreak session, you have to go northward to the posters and ice-breaking session here. If you have any question that you want to get some answers, we have some staff members, as you see in the left-hand side for the help desk. How do I go to the poster session, please?
So the poster session is on the north side, so you can see there's a door. So please follow me.
Okay. So if you're interested to visit a poster, enter the poster area, actually enter a private space. And if you think that those information is too small for you to view, then you should zoom in or you should enlarge the font size of your screen. You can choose anywhere that you like to make your screen more comfortable for you. So when you enter the poster area, you will see that there's a press X to interact. So we have pressed a few interactive items in the launch, so you can actually use such interactive items to have interactions with the other people in the GatorTown. So here, if you would like to go into the poster, you have to press X to interact with the poster. Here you have to press. And when you enter a poster, you can move around. And if you have any question regarding to any parts in a poster, you can actually use this tool to point out where the question you have. So the others can also see the dot. When I press the IOP server here, the others can also see in their screen that the IOP has been emphasized. So you can also use this to emphasize which part of poster you are interested to ask questions. So you can also use this to zoom in and zoom out. To leave the interactive interface, you can just click this X button over there, and then you can leave the interactive environment and come back to the launch again. So I want to emphasize that the posters are designed to be in private conversation area. That means that we also have sort of limitation to the number of people that can interact with the speaker over here as well. So if you are not able to enter the poster at a certain moment, you can join later. But when you are in a poster area, the others will not be able to disturb you. Yeah. So in RTSS this year, we have also featured icebreak sessions. The icebreak sessions will be hosted by some moderators from the organizers. So as you can see that when you enter from outside and slowly move into a small area, it says that you have entered a private space. When you have entered a private space, the other characters who are not in this private space will not be able to have interactions with you. So, for example, at this moment, you have seen that Christian from the help desk temporarily left the desk and joined back, and so we saw that Christian disappeared for a few seconds and then just came back at the moment when I explained this one. To interact with the others in a private manner, you can consider to use this flexibility over here. But of course, I hope that the icebreaking sessions would have the priority for the moment when they need this place. Okay, so what else do we have in the lounge? We have a few breakout rooms. So over here, you see that there are some games, and over some small rooms, you can see some chairs over here. And if you have interest to interact with some other people, you can actually select some seats that are only dedicated for you to have private conversation. Moreover, if you are interested to locate a specific participant, you can actually find the names of the participants over here, and you can have some local chats and some global chats over here as well. If you want to locate a specific person where the person is, you can click the person's name, and then you can actually locate that person. As you can see that we have I have located a person, and if I'm interested to talk with that person, I can just follow the track to the person's place. And if you would like to stop the locating of the person, you just have to click stop locating. You can also click on a person's name and then start to have a chat with that person. Okay. So that is the short introduction of the launch of RTSS 2020. I hope that you find the event interesting and exciting. So I hope we will see each other next week in the launch of RTSS 2020. See you. Bye.